Hi, I'm Kevin Castaneda, and this is Kev's Mindset, where we talk everything finance, investing, mindset, and productivity. And today we're going to be talking about Coinbase and how Coinbase is finally starting to blow up. We saw about a 7% move in the stock. We're going to be covering all that and where Coinbase could go right alongside crypto, as I kind of talked about this already in a video that I filmed a few days ago. And I kind of overview of this, and now it's actually happened, and it's starting to happen. So we're going to be covering all that in this video. So do leave a like if you do enjoy, and subscribe if you are new and want more content like this. So let's get straight into the video. Okay, so Coinbase has been rather interesting, as when it first DPO, direct public offering, people were asking themselves, is it going to trade alongside Bitcoin and Ethereum and alongside cryptos in general? So it was kind of a big debate before it actually DPO'd. And then when it did DPO, we saw it kind of fly up and then it crashed, and everyone was kind of confused, and it was insane. We got Coinbase, which unfortunately is a bad reference. However, it's gonna be alright. So Coinbase did crash substantially. However, I do think that Coinbase, as we've seen today, as we've seen a demonstration of it, which I'm actually filming this very late. It's about 12 in the morning right now, but I'm gonna film this now and then I'm gonna edit, whatever. Anyways, so Coinbase has been rather interesting. So we've seen Coinbase fly up, we've seen it crash, we've seen it move, we've seen it's kind of steady, and now we're sitting around the 240 mark, 230 mark, and honestly, Coinbase is still a bargain. Honestly, I'm still buying the dip. Honestly, every week I buy a little bit of Coinbase because Coinbase is just so low, and now I'm starting to like buy the actual crypto now. Like I'm buying Bitcoin more, buying Ethereum more, because they dipped really low, and so it's actually worth it. But a good thing to keep in mind is when you want to have a diversified portfolio and you want crypto in it, I keep crypto allocation below 15% because I don't want to overdo it. However, I do like having some crypto in my portfolio. So what I tend to do is I look at my portfolio and I'm like, okay, I want crypto in it. How much crypto do I want in it? So I'll go through it and I'll be like, okay, there's a good amount of this, there's a good amount of that. And what I tend to do is if Coinbase is very low and crypto's going high, because sometimes they don't trade together. Usually they do, but they don't always. Like if there's good news, they'll trade together. If there's bad news for Coinbase might go down and crypto might still fly. Or some of these crypto will just go up and then Coinbase will just go down. It's very strange. So sometimes Coinbase does go down while crypto goes up. So on those times where crypto's flying and Coinbase is still sitting low, I buy into Coinbase as an alternative of buying into crypto, so I don't have to buy crypto high and I still get to buy some sort of crypto related asset. That's kind of how I identify crypto. I have 15% allocation max. Right now I'm at 12, so I have 3% more that I can add, and I set it up as I have crypto related assets in there. And so Coinbase is rather interesting. We're going to see Q2 come through. We're going to see a nice run. We might even see a short squeeze, because we can't, if you look at S3 Partners data, you can't find any short data for Coinbase, nor can you find, and now you can find it if you go on CoinMarketCap and then you look up. I'll leave a comment down below of how you can find the short, the short interest and everything for Bitcoin. However, that we're not talking about Bitcoin right now, although it is very correlated. Obviously we know that crypto is starting to get shorted heavily, and we might see a squeeze, an even bigger squeeze, along with Elon talking about it and all these things. And a squeeze in crypto might also provide a squeeze in Coinbase, because I do think Coinbase is also heavily shorted. Because why would Coinbase not be shorted if you could have definitely made a bunch of money from it if you shorted it from the top down to where it is now? So we'll see what happens. However, I do think that Coinbase is still a great opportunity. I'm gonna continue adding in. My predictions are just doing pretty well. Like I'm saying that yes, I said we're gonna see a big dip, but I do think that we will recover over time, because Coinbase is a good company. Coinbase deserves to be higher. It's the first time we've seen a big player come into newer type industry and actually be making a bunch of money, and it's great to see. So I think we're gonna continue to see great developments in Coinbase, and the company will continue to do great things. Just how they're decentralizing their headquarters right now, they're getting rid of the building and all these things. That we'll see great things coming for Coinbase in the near future and in the long term as well. So if you did enjoy this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And also, I appreciate it very much if you do smash the like button. It helps a lot with the YouTube algorithm. Also, subscribe if you are new and want more content like this, because I talk about Coinbase all the time. I talk about electric vehicle companies, tech companies, high PE companies. I talk about mindset, I talk about productivity, I talk about anything, about all the things that kind of make you a better you. And that's kind of my goal, to inform you about what's going on, and it allows me to stay up to date and allows me to tell other people what's going on and trying to help just share my opinion and everything. So if you did enjoy this video, Thank you so much for the support, and I'll see you in the next one. This was Kev's Mindset.